is our Weber charcoal grill. It's 22 inches. As you can see, it has this little ash catching tray underneath, which is pretty handy for the ash. Keeps the patio nice and clean. And it also has this little smoke vent, which you rotate. Can change the temperature on the inside and the internal cooking, or let some smoke out. Has a nice padded lid, so with the cover you don't have to burn yourself or use a mitt. This part comes out, the grill part comes out. Easy to wash, easy to clean. And I have fit about maybe 15 chicken thighs, medium-sized chicken thighs, a couple potatoes, and some corn on here. So it holds a really decent amount of grilling dinner food items. And the only complaint I have when grilling is, you know, it's really smoky. Smoke gets everywhere, but that's just part of it. I recommend the Weber grill. 22 inches is pretty big.